Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crop an image in Keynote on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Keynote app and select the presentation you want to edit. Next, go to the slide where your image is located. Next, tap the image you want to crop to select it. Once the image is selected, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the format button which looks like a paintbrush. Now tap on image from the option that appear. Tap edit. Now tap crop. You will see adjustable handles around your image. Drag the corners or edge to select the areas you want to keep. Everything outside the handles will be removed. Once you are happy with the crop, tap down at the top right corner. Your image is now cropped and fits perfectly in your slide. You can move or resize it further if needed. And that's it. You have successfully cropped an image in Keynote on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.